Welcome to the garage. I'm Robert, and this is Haslip Cycleworks. Today is actually part 6 of Project Minibike, and I've got kind of mixed feelings. In this episode, we're going to actually finish a project, but that also means that once the project's finished, it's time to part ways. So we're going to finish the last few items that we have to do on Project Minibike, and then I'm going to do the final reveal for you guys. And after that, she's going to go up on Craigslist and Facebook and go on to someone else. Let's get it done, and let's get it out and make room for some new projects. We want to accomplish 4 major things in today's episode. We want to fix our exhaust. We want to install a chain/clutch guard. We want to fabricate and install some form of chain tensioner. And finally, we want to tear it all apart, and we want to paint it. And once that's done, you guys will see it in its final form. So we've got our RLV muffler from Go Power Sports. It's the clamp-on style 1-inch that matches our header tube. And I'm not sure if the camera is going to be able to pick this up, but it's definitely a free-flowing design. Let's go ahead and get it on. So once I got the header cut, the muffler clamped down nice and solid, what I did was just spray the whole thing with some high temp black and let the motor run for a little bit so it would get nice and warm and kind of bake that paint in. Next thing to do is a clutch cover. And we've also got our clutch and chain guard from Go Power Sports. That came in. This is what it looks like. Pretty snazzy looking. And it has 2 slots that'll slip over some bolts that will be threaded into the cover on our Predator motor, and then a third one to kind of lock it down, because it is kind of hard to get to these because the clutch is in the way. So we've got 3 positions to fasten it. Extends over the clutch and a good amount of the chain too, so that'll afford us a little extra protection. I purchased this instead of making one of my own because the price of this shipped was cheaper than me just trying to get the materials to make one. So it's hard to argue with that kind of logic. For the price, and I mean, it looks really good, really clean cuts. The GoPowersports.com is very nice touch, and the slots in it, that looks pretty sharp too. So what I'm going to do is scuff it up with a Scotch-Brite pad, hit it with some of our signature red color, and get it installed. So here's our cover after just a quick shot of some rattle can red. Turned out pretty nice. So all we need to do is build our tensioner and get our chain back on, and then clutch and clutch cover. And this is what we got. Some 60 by 40 millimeter wheels. You can see the bearings, black and red, because you know that's my favorite colors. And bearings are already installed. There are spacers between the bearings so that when you tighten them down, you don't pull the bearings through. I want to say the pack of 4 was maybe $19 on eBay. Ready to see the final project mini bike? Here it is. So we got our Go Power Sports chain and clutch cover installed, painted, real slick piece. We've got our exhaust all done. We got our chain tensioner, our skateboard wheel done. Wheels are all painted on the bike and the trailer. And did a little touch-up paint on the rear section where I had to grind some stuff off. Other than that, she's done. She's ready to go to her new home. Well, as you can see, we finished Project Minibike, and she's listed. She's on Facebook and Craigslist. And by the time that this video actually gets posted on YouTube, hopefully she's gone already. I will be posting those links on all the social media sites that we're members of, so look for it. Yeah, that's it. So awesome project. Can't wait to get another little mini bike. It was fun. Thing hauled. Good little project, especially if you're younger and don't have your license yet, or an adult trying to relive your childhood and your parents were like mine and told you, no, you can't have one, they're dangerous. Well, guess what? Now you're over 18 now you've got a job, now you can buy whatever you want. Loved it. It was a blast. All my friends rode it. They loved it. Sorry to see it go, but we got to make room in the shop for future projects, and we need to sell that off so that we can afford to finish another project. So that's it, guys. Farewell to Project Minibike. Until next time, get up, get out there and do it.